Welcome back to Teaching and Learning through ICT 3.0. Today we will learn about a digital initiative that involves shielding of web developers from day-to-day changes. This is an IQAC initiative and the online interface is provided by the Department of Electronics. This module is developed in a very innovative way. For example, as the teaching plan of all paper in the Department of Physics can be made only visible to the respective department faculty. It means that as a member of the physics faculty, I can only see or view the teaching plans for physics papers, not those for chemistry or other subject. So it is very innovative. So let's begin with. Okay, moving further. First, we need to get login in LMS through department credentials. जैसा कि मैंने पहले मेंशन किया था कि जो टीचिंग प्लान है वो केवल डिपार्टमेंट आईडी से ही अपलोड किया जा सकता है. सो आफ्टर दैट वी विल सी हाउ वी कैन डाउनलोड और अपलोड टीचिंग प्लान टेम्पलेट थ्रू डिपार्टमेंट credentials, and then how a faculty can view and print teaching plan accordingly, and at the end acknowledgement. Okay, so first we need to log in with the department ID as I mentioned earlier. So here I am going to use Department of Physics ID to log in. So I can choose physics ID and password. So as and when you log in it, because the physics department ID has some admin view also. So here to get the user portal, we need to click on the user, then and only then you will see a faculty dashboard. So here teaching plan is available. This teaching plan can be uploaded with with respect to various program, with respect to departments, with respect to academic session, and with respect to subject. Even we can also choose whether it's a paper 1, 2, 3, major, minor, or and so on. And then paper code as per suggested by the IQAC. We have already fetches all the papers available in the Holkar Science College, so we can choose. And here is the templates of teaching plan. First, we need to download this teaching plan. As and when you will download this teaching plan, there will be a four columns. This is an Excel file. First is lecture number, other is topic, then date of execution, and then teaching methodology. There are various teaching methodologies as per suggested by the department and IQAC as well. So we can fill these templates as per our choice. So for example, thermal physics, date, teaching methods can be anything. Let's say PowerPoint presentation. So we can choose any of the teaching methodology that is suitable for that particular topic. So we have also suggested various teaching methodology in LMS. IQAC also has suggested various. So any teaching methodology can be used accordingly. Okay, here I'm going to show one of the teaching plan for condensed matter physics 4th semester. Here I have used topics, dates, and teaching methodologies. These teaching methodologies are as per my understanding, and they are actually variables, it depends on the teacher, department and IQAC suggestions. So since this is a template, we cannot modify the columns. That means here we have 4 columns, so it will remains the 4 column. We cannot add any extra, but we can add row as many as we want. For example, यहाँ पर 90 lectures के लिए शो किया है. यदि ये एनुअल है तो 180 lectures और as per the guidelines हम यूज कर सकते हैं. So this templates needs to prepare before uploading it. After this backend uploading. Now reaching at the stage for uploading. So first I need to choose. We can see that there is no teaching plan available since this is the first I am going to upload here. So there is no previously uploaded. So again I need to choose various drop downs. So this is MSc 4 semester, so here I have choose department, obviously physics, so physics can be pulled it. Academic session is for 22-23. Subject again physics, so I can use physics, and this is a first paper, so I will use this first paper. Physics code is basically PH41, so I have just used 22 PH41 so that it can be remember that this is for the 22 years. So condensed matter physics is the paper title, so here I can use this. Here I have used to we have made for day and month plan. Previously it was a month kind of teaching plans, so both options are there, but we will use day wise plan. So from here I can, from local hard disk I can choose the file. It is Excel file. You can see the extension and then import. As and when you click on the import, it will ask, are you sure to import it? If it is imported correctly, then all the 90 lectures will be there. You can see by scrolling down, all the 90 lectures will be available here. If it is not there, that means something wrong with the file. So after that you need to click on the save. So I can click. Again it pop-up will be shown. So 90 teaching plans imported successfully. Now I can see by clicking here, so you can see previously there was no entry, now there is a one entry. So I can print it or delete it, both the things can be done. So if I click on the print, so it will be available in the PDF. You can see name of the program, department, title of the course, paper ID, okay, and lecture number, topics, and teaching suggested teaching methodologies. All 4 columns are there in the PDF format, and all 90s lectures are available in this PDF. So you can see how conveniently we are able to upload this. It can be deleted also. So again, if you want to delete, you can delete it. Okay. So again, moving once more, I will show teaching plan and then sign out. Now I will show, being a physics faculty, it has to be available in my dashboard also. So now I have logged in with my personal credentials, and you can see it is available here. Previously it was not. So again I can print from here. So the same PDF also available to all the physics faculties. We have mapped the faculty with the department ID. So it is easily, you can see lecture number, date, topics and teaching method. Oh, there is some technical I think mistake. The columns heading is replaced. Topic became date and date become topic. Okay, there is no problem. In next couple of minutes I will correct it before finishing this video, so it can be available to all the faculties and faculty can see accordingly. Now here I will show with another way for the another department. For example, let us say electronics department. So if I log in with the electronics department ID, so there should not be any of the teaching plans available from the Department of Physics. So if I go with the electronics department credentials and again choose teaching plan, so yeah, you can see teaching plan list. So here you can see all the teaching plans from the Department of Electronics. None of them is from the Department of Physics or any other department. So here the information is very much segregated, and you can see all these teaching plans for electronics department is available here. The previous mistake date topic that was exchanged, so now in this PDF it is rectified. So by this way we can have teaching plans, and each and every faculty can view it and prepare their plan accordingly. So that's it for today's lecture. At the end, I would like to sincerely acknowledge our principal sir, Dr. Suresh Tislawat sir, Dr. G.D. Gupta sir, head of the department and vice principal, Dr. R.C. Dikshit sir, professor and administrative officer, and entire IQAC team for giving this opportunity and always teaching us to move further. Thank you all. I will see you in next video.